Imagine waking up one morning to find that while you were sleeping, your computer was making you money. Real money. No boss, no deadlines, no 9 to 5 grind. Just your machine working for you. Sound like a dream? Well, that's the power of Bitcoin mining. And if you don't get in now, you might just regret it later. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mine Bitcoin step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also going to reveal a secret strategy that can 10x your Bitcoin earnings over time. Okay, let's dive in. First, let's answer the big question. Why mine Bitcoin? Bitcoin isn't just another investment, it's a financial revolution. It's decentralized, limited in supply, and people across the world are racing to get their hands on it. But here's the problem. Most people only think about buying Bitcoin, not mining it, and that's where the opportunity lies. Every day, new Bitcoins are created through mining, and the ones who understand how to mine efficiently are getting rich while the rest are just watching. So, do you want to be a spectator or a player? But hey, before you start picturing yourself as a crypto billionaire, let's get real. Bitcoin mining is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hardware, energy, and strategy. But if you do it right, you could set yourself up for life. All right, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Get the right hardware. Mining Bitcoin isn't like running a simple app on your laptop. You need serious firepower, the most popular machines. ASIC miners, specialized devices built for one purpose, solving complex math problems to secure the Bitcoin network and earn rewards. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. ASIC miners aren't cheap. But think of it as an investment. The Antminer 19 Pro, for example, can mine around 0.4 BTC per day. Doesn't sound like much. Well, at Bitcoin's future potential price, that could be a game changer. Step 2. Choose the right mining pool. Here's the truth. Unless you have a warehouse full of ASIC miners, solo mining isn't profitable anymore. That's where mining pools come in. By joining a pool, you combine your power with other miners and share the rewards. Some top mining pools, F2 Pool, Ant Pool, and Slush Pool. Think of it like playing the lottery with friends. You might not hit the jackpot alone, but together you get a steady stream of smaller wins. Step 3. Set up your mining software. Once you have your hardware and a mining pool, you need the right software to connect everything. One of the best options, CG Miner or NiceHash. These programs help your machine communicate with the Bitcoin network and start solving those complex puzzles. Don't worry, setting it up is easier than it sounds. Most of these software programs come with user-friendly interfaces. Step 4. Managing electricity cost. Electricity is the silent killer of mining profits. Running an ASIC miner 24/7 can rack up hefty energy bills. So how do you make sure mining stays profitable? Choose locations with cheap electricity rates. Some miners even move to states like Texas. For this reason, use renewable energy sources like solar power to cut costs. Monitor your miner's efficiency with software like HiveOS. Without proper energy management, you could be making Bitcoin, but losing money at the same time. And that's the last thing we want, Veo. Now, here's the most exciting part. If you start mining today, you're not just earning Bitcoin, you're stacking an asset that could be worth 10x or even 100x more in the future. Think about it. Every 4 years, the Bitcoin supply gets cut in half through something called the halving event. Less supply, more demand. And historically, that's when Bitcoin's price explodes. And if you hold on to your mined Bitcoin rather than selling it immediately, that's where the real wealth is built. So here's the million-dollar question. Once you start mining Bitcoin, what's the smartest way to make it grow? The answer lies in something far more powerful than mining alone, the magic of compounding. I've put together an entire video explaining exactly how compounding can multiply your Bitcoin earnings over time, even if you only start with a small amount. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. Click here to watch now, and I'll see you there. End screen directs to next video. The power of compounding, how to multiply your Bitcoin. End